I, uh, I wrote this song for all of us here, because to live, you have to love. And I love her so, I wouldn't trade her for gold. I'm walking on moonbeams. I was born with a silver spoon, and I'm gonna be free. Well, I'm walking on moonbeams and staring out to sea. If the door be closed, then a row of homes start building. Tear your curtains down, for the sunlight is like gold. And you better be do what you can do when you're walking on moonbeams and staring out to sea. 'Cause if your skin was soiled, how long do you think before they start fading? If your life was gone, how long do you think you'd stay living? Hey! And I love her so, I wouldn't trade her for